Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy dollars on Binance using a Bkash account. We will walk through the simple steps to get your digital dollars quickly and securely. You will learn how to set up your payment method, find reliable sellers, and complete your transactions with peace of mind. This guide is designed to make the process straightforward, ensuring you feel confident with every trade you make on the platform. First, make sure your Binance account is fully verified. This is crucial for secure trading. Once verified, open your Binance app and head to the P2P trading section. Here, you will need to add Bkash as one of your payment methods. Go to your profile, select Payment Methods, and then P2P Payment Methods to add your Bkash details. Double-check that all information is correct to avoid any delays. Now let's begin your purchase. In the P2P section, select Buy and choose USD, which is the stablecoin equivalent to digital dollars. Filter the available sellers by selecting Bkash as your payment method and inputting your desired amount. Always pick a seller with a high completion rate, ideally 95% or more, and positive reviews. Once you find a suitable seller, enter the amount you want and place your order. After placing your order, you will receive the seller's Bkash details. Transfer the exact agreed-upon amount to their Bkash account. It is vital to then click Transferred, notify seller on Binance to inform them. Wait for the seller to confirm receipt and release the USD to your Binance wallet. Always confirm the digital dollars are in your wallet before finalizing the order. Keep all communication on the Binance platform for your safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.